Natalie Portman, the small actress with a big name. Natalia Portman is American and Israeli. Portman is Natalie's grandmother's name. Natalie's real name is Hashela. Natalia's father is a doctor and Natalie's mother is an artist. Natalia lives in Los Angeles now. She likes Los Angeles because everyone smiles there. Natalia walks all over the world. Paris and Berlin are two of the Natalie's favorite cities, and Natalie loves to visit Paris and Berlin. Natalia is married to the French dancer Benjamin Malafi. Natalia and Benjamin have two children. The children's names are Aleph and Amaria. Natalia dances and ice skates in her free time and loves cooking. Natalie is a vegetarian. She says she doesn't want to eat animals because she loves animals so much. Natalia has an IQ of 114. Natalia is very interested in psychology and has a degree in psychology from Harvard University. Natalia is only 5 feet 3 inches, 160 cm, but Natalie is an actress with a very big name.